Welcome to 915 Bentwater Drive in Lucas, Texas. This is a new construction home by Toscana Builders. It has never been lived in. Toscana has several projects down Country Club Road, including this massive house that's 16,000 square feet that you can see right off Country Club Drive. Right to the right, you're going to have the office area. Those are tempered doors that swing both ways. To the left here is the guest suite, but we'll go there later. If you look up, the ceilings are 24 feet tall in the atrium area. Underneath, there's 12 feet tall. If you look at this waterfall edge bar, it is 18 feet long and it has storage underneath the entire length of it. In the living room, that fireplace is 100 inches long and it has light features and produces heat. The staircase are 60-inch white oak treads and there's a 60-foot long I-beam that holds it up. It's one of the largest floating staircases in DFW. If you look up over that bar area, right there, there is a 50-foot long steel I-beam that supports the weight of that open space. There's also extra LVLs to support the weight of the open space and the roof. The roof outside looks like it is terracotta tile, but actually it is a stone-coated metal. That will help insulate the house. It can withstand Category 4 hurricane force winds and 4-inch hail. The flooring is white oak plank 8 inches. As soon as you enter the home, to the left is the guest suite. It's designed for long-term guests. We've got an oversized closet, so if your family comes in from out of state or out of the country, there's plenty of room for them to spread out. If you take a look over here, you've got your whole house water filtration system and your sprinklers. So all the water runs through this first before it even hits your shower. So you should have nice and shiny hair. With a LED mirror, complete with body sprayers and a rain shower. There are 12-foot ceilings downstairs and the tile goes all the way to the top. 18-foot waterfall edge kitchen island. It's 18 by 6. It's giant. Then follow me over here. We have a little secret. You can open it up. You got a regular pantry. Make sure you shut this door and then push. We have a hidden pantry in here. Yes, it could easily be converted to a safe room. All of the cabinetry is made on site. It's all soft close. The vent hood is custom made of white oak. The fan function runs off of a remote. There is also a pot filler. The range is a 7-burner professional with double ovens. As you can see, there is under cabinet lighting, and then if you look up in the glass fronts, there is lighting in those cabinets as well. The breakfast nook is directly off of the kitchen and has access to the pool. It also has a wet bar that is identical to the one upstairs. Both have beverage chillers and ice makers and sinks. This blue bathroom is my favorite. This tile is actually porcelain tile and it's supposed to be indestructible. It has a lifetime warranty. The builder says you can throw it in the ocean and it won't break. This bathroom has direct access to the pool. The foundation is poured to 3,500 psi instead of regulation 3,000 psi. There's over 100 steel piers in the foundation to bedrock. The property line extends back to the tree line and extends almost to the neighbor's fences. All the cabinetry in the home was built on site, all custom, all soft close. Through the master bedroom, you'll have direct access to the gorgeous covered patio. Outside, you'll find a 100-inch fireplace that's identical to the one in the living room with lights and produces heat. The builder will put in an outdoor kitchen, cabinets, and sink with the right offer. There's a small closet in the corner there, but the real showstopper of this primary suite is this bathroom. That is the porcelain tile that's indestructible. The cabinetry is all custom made on site with soft closed drawers. This shower is massive. We got about 30 people in it in our office meeting. The waterfall shower has 3 water features and LED lights, along with all the body sprayers and the hand shower. Once again, you can see these custom cabinets. There's a little room to sit down and put on your makeup. In this huge closet, there's accessory lighting at the top. There's Lazy Susans for your shoes in the sides. There is the jewelry display counter, all of this custom made on site. Huge bathtub. All of that is a wet area, so that's why it's all open. And to top it off, there is a smart toilet with sensors and remotes. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms with custom closet systems, like in every bedroom. This one is a Jack and Jill. The balcony is the perfect place to look over this beautiful neighborhood. Over here you have the 3rd upstairs bedroom with the ensuite bath. And a huge walk-in closet. And in case there's not enough bathrooms up here, here's one more. Once again, floor to ceiling tile. We've got the waterfall shower and the handheld. This is your game room with wet bar, wine chiller, ice maker, floating shelves. No house is complete without a media room. It's all wired for the equipment and ready to go. Even more storage. Just hide all the wires and store your games, whatever else. This little peek in here, you can see that we've got sprayed in insulation. There is a 3-car garage directly attached to the home, and then a detached 1-car garage. There are 3 train units. The thermostats are by the game room, and then in the hallway to the primary suite, and then in the primary suite by the dresser. If you turn them down to about 71 degrees, 30 minutes before the open house, that should get you cooled off. Don't forget that there is a pet wash station in the mudroom, and the laundry room is absolutely giant. Thank you so much for showing my listing, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Good luck and bring me a buyer. Have a nice day.